Let us discuss the term concurrency control. We know that in our real life situations, in a certain application, multiple transactions will be executed in parallel concurrently. So if there is no concurrency control, then those transaction executions will leave behind the database in some inconsistent state. And there are several problems will arise. And here we shall divide, or we shall make those problems categorized into three different categories. So let us define the concurrency control at first. Here is the text. The concurrency control is a process of managing simultaneous operations on the database without having them interfere with one another. That means the concurrency control will ensure that each and every transaction will have some isolation. That means as if the transaction is getting executed not in parallel with other transactions, and the transactions effect will remain permanent, and that effect will remain durable on the database as if the transaction has got executed in solo. So there is no interference between transaction executions. It enhances overall CPU utilization. Obviously, when the multiple threads are there, when the multiple transactions are there, then obviously CPU utilization will be enhanced in the overall sense. So as I told you that there are different problems if there is no concurrency control. So all the problems will be divided into three potential problems of concurrency. The problem number one is lost update problem. That means one transaction will do some changes in, say, one of the variables. Another transaction will cancel that update, and if such occurs, then the problem will be known as lost update problem. So one transaction's update will be nullified by the execution of the another transaction. Uncommitted dependency or dirty read problem. So that is a very famous problem. Let us suppose one variable has got updated and the transactions is now still in execution. Another transaction has initiated in parallel, in concurrent, and that particular transaction has read that particular variable's updated value. In the meantime, the previous transaction has got rolled back. It has got terminated. So what will happen? The latter transaction which has read that updated content of the variable will have the dirty read. That means the value is not now current, because as the previous transaction got rolled back, so the value of the variable has been put with the previous value. So that sort of problem is known as uncommitted, because the transaction is not getting committed, is not making the change permanent onto the database. So it has got rolled back. So that is called, it is uncommitted dependency or dirty read problem. So that is our problem category number two. Inconsistent analysis problem. One transaction is updating multiple different variables, and another transaction is in a process to add some instances of those variables. Now what will happen? As the previous transactions is updating values of different variables, and as the second transaction is going to add values of different variables, then in the second transaction those variable values will be available in the different instance of the database, not in the same instance of the database, and that will produce one problem. We discussed this one earlier, that instance of a database means the content of the database at that particular instant of time. So what will happen in the second transaction? Those variables values have got added, so that is not a problem. The problem is that those variable values were available in different instance of the database, not in the same instance. So that is known as the inconsistent analysis problem. I think to have the better idea on these three potential category problems, so you should have dedicated examples for all these three type of problems. So please watch next videos where we will be going to discuss each and every problem individually. Thanks for watching this one.